These kinds of questions involve writing an equation of a line coming from a line that's already graphed. So in order to do that, you need to look at your graph and find out what your y-intercept is and what your slope is. So let's look at it. The y-intercept is the easiest thing to find. It's where the line crosses the y-axis. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. That's the point, 0, -5. All right, and that means that b equals -5. And that is exactly what we're going to use when we look for the equation. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, we're going to put that -5 in there. Y equals mx minus 5. And we're not done, of course. We need to find the slope. How do we do that? Well, we go from that point, 0, -5, and we rise and run up to another point on the graph. Another solid point would be, well, there's a couple of them, but these ones are hard. It's hard to see this. I'm going to zoom right in for a second on the graph just to make sure you can see that actually there aren't any points that are very clearly, where that line is clearly going through them. They're going through sort of fractions of points, partly through points. The one we can tell for sure it's going through is this one right up here. And then we're going to go rise up. Okay, how far did we go to get there? Rise over run, m equals, okay, we went up 5, and we went left, -3. So it's left, yeah, I'm going to zoom out, left 3. And those are the directions that we took in order to find the slope. Again, we went up 5 and left 3. Okay? And that in numbers is up 5 is +5 and left is minus. So be careful with your directions. A minus means left and it also means down. Plus means up and a plus means right. So we're almost done. We put this m into this right here for m. That's what it equals. So we write y equals -5/3 or 5/-3. It's the same thing, x minus 5. Remember, x, the number before the x is the slope. The number after the x is the y-intercept. What comes before? Slope comes before, y-intercept comes after. And if you remember that the slope is a fraction and the y-intercept is a point, you'll be doing this with a good deal of cheer and laughter. Thank you. Any questions?